Reggie Flipping Shop LLC. I just hit a thrift store. Got a huge haul of different furniture pieces on a great deal. Coffee table, bookshelf, some end tables. That's the glass for those tables. 3 dressers. Paid $45 for all this. I'm gonna show y'all how to flip it in some good money. You gotta excuse the garage. I'm in the process of moving to a new warehouse. So all this stuff is piled up in here right now. I'm gonna show y'all how to flip all this stuff. Some of this stuff I'm gonna paint. Some of it I'm gonna just clean up and do a quick flip. Like I say, 45 bucks for all this stuff. Hit us up, flippingshop.com.